morning, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3, and today is a little bit of an exciting day because we are getting a new puppy. As you guys will see in this video, my son does not know yet. He kind of maybe overheard us talking about it, but he didn't fully understand. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
It's not here.
What are you looking for?
There's the elf.
No, where's the real elf?
Real elf. Yeah.
Go find him. He has a surprise for you.
It's by the door.
Go look by the door.
Whoa! It says elf got candy cane.
Elf got candy cane. Oh no, Elf is gonna fall.
Oh no, the elf just spilled it.
You gotta get it. You have to get it so he doesn't fall. Get it.
Good job.
Good job. Yeah.
He's
Tell the
like,
elf.
give me my candy.
I just find it, Daddy. Daddy, you can't go it. It's so dirty. Ew, Daddy. Look a lot, Daddy. It's drinking water, Daddy. Yeah. Look, and it just look, there's one here and that. But they're cool looking.
They're all taking baths, baby.
What do you do that? I love that. And look. See? Oh look, there's a little one.
Oh, look at that. The geese. You see them?
Yay! Look, that's the water.
Yeah, it's dirty. Oh, you see the ducks and the geese?
Yeah.
They're just chilling there, huh?
Look, that's on. Look,
Yeah, I see it. Maybe.
Yeah!
Oh, there's a little one over there. You see it?
Yeah, look, there's a little one. Wait, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, Daddy. 3 dots, Daddy.
3 ducks.
We have 10 dots area. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Daddy.
Good job.
Oh, no. Look, it's a ladder.
Baby, what's your doggy's name?
It's Penny. Look, it's a ladder. And it's going up to the top. That's right here. And now let's put some on it. Penny, what are you doing?
And you played a lot, baby.
Play. Play any place a lot.
Yeah. Just kind of like it. Look. You want him to pet you? You don't know how to do that yet.